In this video, we'll cover the turn handle replacement. Before you begin, please check to make sure the following parts are included in the kit: padlocking handle, slam latch with padlocking hasp, 4 1/4 by 0.75 Torx screws, and 4 number 10 24 by 0.5 bolts. The tools you will need are 3/8 inch wrench or socket, 5/16 wrench or socket, T30 Torx screwdriver or T30 driver bit with screwdriver drill. Step 1. Remove existing hardware. With the hatch open, remove the slam latch with a T30 driver or 3/8 inch wrench or socket. Next, remove the external padlocking handle by removing the bolts with a 5/16 wrench or socket. Step 2. Replace hardware. To install, attach the external padlocking handle with the number 10 24 by 0.5 bolts using a 5/16 wrench or socket. Install the internal slam latch onto the square handle shaft. Push the slam latch towards the hinge side of the cover. Fasten with the 4 1/4 by 0.75 Torx screws with a T30 driver. Step 3. Operation test. Open and close the hatch to ensure proper operation. If you have any trouble with installation or operation of your product, please contact customer support.